In this video, we're going to show you a couple of high-load exercises for patients with low back pain.
Enroll in our online course now. Link is in the video description.
Hi and welcome back to Physiotutors. In previous videos, we have had a look at the evidence for various exercises on low back pain. One of those studies we highlighted was a study by Asa et al. In the year 2015. And in this study, the authors compared low-load motor control exercises with deadlifts. In that particular study, the low-load motor control group outperformed the high-load group on short-term, but again, long-term results were equally effective. This might be due to the fact that the low-load exercises were probably better suited in the early acute situation, while they might have underloaded the patient in a later stage of the rehab process. What we as physiotherapists often seem to do is to shy away from giving our patients with low back pain heavy exercises. This might be due to our own fear that patients might re-injure themselves. But fear avoidance behavior in us as therapists might have a negative influence on our patients. A study by Gardner et al. In the year 2017 showed that physiotherapists' fear avoidance scores were positively correlated with increased certification of sick leave, advice to avoid return to work, and advice to avoid return to normal activity in patients with low back pain. While high-load exercises do not seem to be superior to other forms of exercise for low back pain, they certainly have their advantages to increase tissue capacity and strength. While they might not be necessary for all patients, high-load exercises might be necessary to prepare athletes to return to play. Another advantage that we see in practice is that moving heavy loads can help a patient to increase confidence in their backs and their abilities. In the following, we will show you a couple of examples we are regularly using with our patients in practice. Alright, this was our video on high-load exercises for low back pain. If your patients have fear avoidance behavior, it might be a good idea to prescribe a graded exposure program. If you're looking for some inspiration, click on the video right next to me. In case you're struggling to manage patients with spinal pain, have a look at our newly released spine course on study.physiotutors.com. As always, thanks a lot for watching. This was Kai for Physiotutors. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.